Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aditiz Asha. In this video, I am going to share a very important information for those students/persons who are aspiring to be a chartered accountant. You can also share this information in your friend circle. A mega career counseling session organized by NARC of ICI scheduled on 16th and 20th of December 2021 amongst various schools and colleges. NARC is organizing mega career counseling session for the school/college students. They have already counseled approximately 14,000 students in various schools in Delhi. Being a CA, I am sure that you must be giving various services to schools like statutory audit, internal audit, taxation and other consultancy to the various schools/colleges. Therefore, they request you to kindly promote mega career counseling amongst your references like social media, Facebook, YouTuber followers, LinkedIn profile, school/college principals, friends, employee and other groups. Kindly share the Google form link as given below amongst your references, schools/colleges. Demonstration of the registration process. First, copy the link in any browser and hit enter, then fill all the mandatory details in the registration form like name, phone number, mail ID, etc. and submit your form. You will see confirmation image as well at last. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting and informative videos.